Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. For decades, the United States and the Republic of Korea have maintained one of the most enduring and strategically important military partnerships in the world. This alliance, forged during the Korean War in the early 1950s, was built on a shared commitment to defend the Korean Peninsula and maintain stability across Northeast Asia. Over time, this cooperation has evolved far beyond basic defense agreements. One important component of this collaboration involves weapons systems training conducted by United States Marines and Republic of Korea Marine Corps personnel. During these exercises, Korean Marines receive hands-on instruction with advanced weapon platforms, including machine guns, grenade launchers, and anti-armor systems commonly used by U.S. Marine units. Training focuses on improving target acquisition, fire discipline, and coordination between infantry teams operating under combat conditions. These drills are often conducted on live fire ranges where Korean and American Marines practice coordinated assault maneuvers. Teams move through simulated battlefield environments while engaging targets with precision weapon systems. Instructors closely monitor each phase of the exercise, evaluating accuracy, communication, and tactical decision-making. The goal is to ensure that both forces can fight side by side using compatible equipment and coordinated tactics. In recent years, one growing threat on the modern battlefield has been the increasing use of unmanned aerial systems, or drones. Small enemy drones can be used for surveillance, targeting artillery, or even delivering explosives. To counter this emerging danger, joint training programs now include specialized instruction designed to help Korean Marines detect and shoot down hostile drones. During these counter-drone exercises, troops practice identifying small aerial targets moving at high speed across the training range. Beyond ground combat training, amphibious operations remain a cornerstone of the alliance between U.S. and South Korean forces. The Korean Peninsula is surrounded by water on three sides, making amphibious warfare capabilities essential for both defense and rapid deployment operations. Joint amphibious exercises allow the two militaries to practice launching large-scale assaults from the sea onto contested shorelines. During these operations, amphibious assault vehicles carry Marines from naval ships toward the coastline. Helicopters and tilt-rotor aircraft provide aerial support while landing forces secure the beachhead. Engineers clear obstacles and establish landing zones as additional troops and equipment arrive. These complex exercises require careful coordination between naval forces, aviation units, and ground troops to ensure a successful amphibious landing. Aerial cooperation between the United States and South Korea is equally critical. Joint air exercises allow fighter pilots from both nations to train together while refining air combat tactics and precision strike capabilities. Aircraft, such as the F-16 Fighting Falcon, play a central role in these exercises, providing versatile multi-role capabilities that support both air-to-air combat and ground attack missions. But modern military readiness isn't defined by training alone. The technology that moves troops, equipment, and rescue teams across vast distances is evolving just as rapidly. VTOL aircraft have given the aeronautical industry greater versatility with their vertical flight capabilities. Although helicopters are the most common aircraft within this classification, others are equally iconic in the military forces. This is the case of the V-22 Osprey. Developed by Bell Helicopter and Boeing for the U.S. military years after the start of the VTOL experimental program in the mid-80s. It has since been used in countless accomplished missions and could have changed the outcome of others that ended badly. Its tiltrotor technology allows it to adapt to different missions, such as serving as support during amphibious operations, especially during launch and recovery operations. It not only has the vertical takeoff capabilities of a helicopter, but, once airborne, its propellers can turn 90 degrees, converting the Osprey to a more fuel-efficient, higher-speed aircraft, like a turboprop aircraft. This versatility allows it to be used in multiple scenarios. In addition, the aircraft can reach speeds of over 275 knots, making it significantly faster than conventional helicopters.
What we're able to do that no other platform can is convert from a helicopter to an airplane in mid-flight and then back into a helicopter for landing, allowing us to go to spots that similar type airplanes can't go to.
It has a range of over 1,125 nautical miles, allowing it to travel long distances without refueling. These features are accompanied by a defense weapons system that also includes tools such as sensors and a 7.62mm minigun turret. The unique weapon is mounted in the aft cargo bay, or the belly of the Osprey. It is operated via a remote control inside the aircraft in an interface similar to a video game. The Marines can use it for defensive purposes thanks to its rapid-fire capabilities and targeting aid systems. Since its implementation, the V-22 Osprey has been used in multiple operations to transport troops and supplies on missions worldwide. Afghanistan, Haiti, and Iraq are a few examples of locations where this aircraft has deployed or even rescued troops. The logistics of these missions flow more easily thanks to the advantages that the Osprey offers. When transporting a group of soldiers or carrying supplies, the ramp and the width of its cargo bay speed up these processes, ensuring that the troops enter in a more organized manner and the cargo can be stored in a more optimized way. Additionally, the aircraft provides alternative solutions to insert or extract personnel when landing is not possible. For this, the V-22 uses an electric hoist system that can lift a rescue basket or a two-man rescue team. It can be equipped with 2 quick ropes, allowing troops to be deployed from the Osprey while still in the air. These capabilities demonstrate this aircraft's flexibility and superiority compared to others. Since its development, this aircraft has been used only by the US Navy and the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force for troop transport, medical evacuation, and cargo delivery. The acquisition of these aircraft by the Asian country was seen as a way to increase their amphibious capabilities. Considering Japan's geography in the Pacific Ocean and the great defense ties between this country and the United States. Once purchased, the Ospreys were delivered by a commercial cargo ship in a process assisted by the Marine Corps. This help from the US forces went beyond assistance in delivery logistics. Still, it was also responsible for preparing the Japanese forces with training and joint drills to improve their operations with the V-22. Exercises like Iron Fist combine the ability of Japan and the US to conduct amphibious and land-based contingency operations.
Just recently in Iron Fist, we have participated in fire team attacks over range 409 Alpha, and this part we have gotten 1st and 2nd Platoon from Echo Company to do fast roping out of CH-53s and the MV-22 Ospreys. This time I was the fast rope master for the Japanese as they went down the rope, and then it was a little bit different at first, but it's not my first time working with the Japanese, so it'd be able to work. It worked out well.
These drills allow Japanese forces to become familiar with the characteristics of the aircraft in different conditions. These joint training exercises and technology exchanges show how international partnerships are strengthening modern military power. From US forces training Korean Marines to shoot down enemy drones with remarkable precision, to Japan's advanced V-22 Osprey, Allied militaries are sharpening their ability to respond rapidly to crises, humanitarian missions, and emerging security threats around the world. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.